welcome to my channel. My name is Beatrice. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you've always been around, thank you for all the love. Today I want to talk about how to make them see your value in a relationship. This was inspired by a post I read on the internet. So a woman was lamenting on how she feels that her partner doesn't value her anymore. And I was like, okay, let's talk about it. Why do you think that is? Okay, so first and foremost, when you find yourself in this kind of situation, it does not mean that your partner has fallen out of love with you. Do not get it wrong. And this is not the time to just up and leave. You must know that after living with someone for quite a long time, or after being with someone for quite a long time, if you're not living together, they tend to get too used to you and treat you with a little bit of, she's always here, she's always here. In the Nigerian Pidgin English parlance, it is referred to as see finish. See, as in see finish. Okay? That means they have finished seeing you. That's for the sake of those who are not Nigerians. Alright, so if you find yourself in this kind of see finish situation with your partner, what do you do? First, you must know your worth. Do you know your worth? A lot of people do not even know their worth. So you want me to give you, you want me to value you when you do not even value yourself? There are so many ways that you can, give yourself value as a person. In another post, hopefully we'll be able to talk about it. But today, just learn to value yourself in your relationship. Trust me, it will save you a lot. Please have something to offer. Do not be empty-brained. The way you portray yourself is the way people are going to see you. The initial stage of a relationship, trust me, y'all are, crazy about yourselves. You are having sex everywhere. But when this phase is over, what do you have to offer? Minus sex, minus how hot your body is. What else do you have to offer? So please always make sure you have something up here. You have something to offer. When decisions are being made, do you contribute intellectually? Do you contribute smartly? It's very important that you do that. This can actually help you gain your worth. Set healthy boundaries. Show me a relationship without boundaries, and I will show you a relationship where you will be worthless. You have to set your boundaries, but these boundaries have to be healthy. You don't completely push your partner away because you're trying to set boundaries, okay? And then you do not do too much. 2, you can also try a little radio silence. Sometimes, if you notice that your partner is always wanting you to do the chats, the conversation first, please, it's okay to pull back a little bit. Give them some time to miss you and to understand that it's true, this person has been the only one doing the calling. So every now and then you can try a little radio silence. Let them come to you. This one is very important, guys. Please have a life outside of your partner. Like, I see people, because they're in a relationship, they are everywhere. The man is, the girl is there. Everywhere the girl is, the man is there. You will lose your worth. You will lose your worth. Like, sometimes give them a little bit of a mystery by having your own life. They are wondering, what's she up to? What is he up to? And they're like, people like that will not just see you finish. Honestly, they'll keep wanting to be around because they don't know what you're up to. So a life outside of your partner sometimes, trust me, can boost your value in your relationship. Please take care of yourself. Some people, it's as if when they are trying to get a girl or a man to notice them, they are like all over the place, looking nice, taking care of themselves, doing nice hair, wearing nice clothes. The moment they begin to date, they just drop everything, and you're asking yourself, guy, where is that swag that I saw when I first saw you? Girl, where is that chicness that I saw the first time I saw you? Please take care of yourself. Be irresistible. Every time you're stepping out, let them be wondering, Omo, this girl is fine, oh. This boy is handsome, oh. I hope somebody, just take care of yourself. Let them keep wondering, I hope someone else. You see, that thought being at the back of their mind every time makes them want to sit up and make them want to value you. Please address unpleasant behavior through proper communication. I'm not saying because you have noticed something and then you're shouting, you're making noise, you're not communicating. I said proper communication. It means that if you have noticed an unpleasantness with your partner, please call them, sit down like adults, drop your phones, talk like adults. Do not ever overlook unpleasant situation and then expect that you will lose your worth. You will lose your value, because tomorrow they've done one, now tomorrow they will do two, the day after they will do three. So whenever there is an unpleasant situation, address it through proper communication, not just yelling or shouting or talking like kids. Talk like adults. Okay, this would definitely up your value. The next point is learn to say no. Goodness, like you are just oh yes member, everything yes, okay, because of what? Now that is not what makes your partner stay. Sorry to disappoint you. Because you're saying yes to everything is not why they are going to stay. Do not get it wrong. You can say yes from today till tomorrow and they will still go. Okay? So if you really want your worth in a relationship, learn to say no sometimes. I'm not saying you should always be antagonistic, okay? Because some people will take it like, okay, it's being antagonistic, you're fighting, you're quarreling. They are telling you to do something and it's not what you feel is in line with what your value as a person. You tell them, sorry, I can't. This one, baby, I can't. Sweetheart, I can't. Whatever word or whatever pet name you want to call your person. The next point might be a bit cliche, but I think is also worthy of note, is make your own money. Make your own money. It's very important. And I think this mostly applies to the ladies. Whenever some girls find themselves in a relationship, you see them, some of them even start suggesting not continue with their jobs. Like, are you all right? Please make money. The moment you stop making money because you're in a relationship, my dear, that is the easiest way to lose your worth. Do not always be available. For those of you who are living together, it can be a little difficult, but you can even actually live together with your partner and still not always be available. And this boils down to you having your friends apart from him, friends that are not necessarily his friends. So sometimes you're like, I want to go see my friend, I want to go to this place with my friend. Do not always be available. Like you are home every time he goes somewhere, he comes back, you're there. Babe, where are you? I'm at home. You're always available. You lose your worth that way. And other ways that you can be available. Think of all the ways that you can be available. Try and cut them down. The last one, which I actually consider more like a bonus, is listen deeply. People respect you when you're not just hearing, but you're listening. And people know when you are listening. Now, your partner wants to know that you are, when they're talking to you, you are listening. So, as I always say, guys, just try to do whatever works for you. These are just tips. There is no particular place where it is written that these must be applied. But if you apply them and they work for you, congratulations. But if you do apply them and they do not work for you, you can seek for other means of making your partner see your worth. Remember to please subscribe to my channel. Also, kindly share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, bye bye. I love you. Mwah.